In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 277. So, if Roblox keeps disconnecting and showing a connection lost error, I'll walk you through several easy methods to fix it. So let's jump straight into it. The first thing you should do is check the Roblox server status. Open your browser and search for Roblox status. If Roblox servers are down or under maintenance, you'll need to wait until the servers are back online. If the servers are working fine, then the next step is to restart your internet connection. Simply restart your Wi-Fi router or reconnect to your network and then try launching Roblox again. If you're still getting error code 277, the next method is to clear temporary Roblox files. Open the Start menu and search for Run. Now open the Run app. Inside the box, type %localapp and press Enter. Once the folder opens, find the Roblox folder and open it. Now delete all the folders inside Roblox. After doing that, restart your computer. Now try opening Roblox again and check if the issue is fixed. If the error still appears, the next step is to reset your network settings. Open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now type the following commands: ip config/flush dns and press Enter. Now type net sh winsock reset, press Enter again. Now type net sh int ip reset. Press Enter again. Once you've entered all the commands, restart your computer. After restarting, launch Roblox again. If you're still facing the issue, the next method is to reinstall Roblox completely. Open Settings and go to Apps. Then tap on Installed Apps. Find Roblox in the list and uninstall it. Once it's removed, open your browser and download Roblox again from the official Roblox website. Install it and then try joining a game. After reinstalling Roblox, error code 277 should now be fixed. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Roblox tutorials and fixes.